Most shorts channels die at 5,000 view ceiling. You post, get a few thousand views, post again and get even less. You're convinced that you are doing something wrong, but you are actually not. You're just on the wrong niche at the wrong time. The 2026 World Cup starts in about 3 weeks. It's the biggest monetization window this year and most creators are about to miss it. The ones who get it right are about to start their first channel and probably monetize it not in 6 months, but only in 6 weeks. I've been on YouTube for 13 years and helped dozens of creators get monetized and actually start earning their first revenue, with the best students getting around $8,000 in a single month. During the next 10 minutes I will walk you through the 4 formats that are crushing right now. I will show you the real channel examples, and I've also made a free step-by-step playbook where you will find a plan how to start a successful channel in just 30 days. You can download it through the first link in description, and we'll head into the video. Okay, as you can see, this is the trend graph of World Cup and football as a whole, and every single 4 years is this big spike when the World Cup is actually happening, and this is when you can get the majority of views. And the last time the World Cup actually happened was in 2022, which was 4 years ago, and that was about the time when shorts were actually coming on YouTube and rolling out, and most people weren't doing any shorts. That's why this year's World Cup will be the first experience of World Cup on shorts, and also why no one talks about it. Everyone is still busy talking about AI commentary, while these things are just around the corner. And as you can see, it's really around the corner, because it starts in about 2 or 3 weeks from now, on 11th of June, but it will be on for about 5 weeks, which is a lot of time. And to put it in numbers, basically every single country plays football, and there are so many countries going to play in this World Cup that the whole pool of viewers will be around 5 billion. And yeah, that is about 60% of the whole world's population. Anyway, where I see the best opportunity for shorts regarding the World Cup are these ranking shorts with heads of football players. And let's play one of these. Yeah, as you can see, we are going clip after clip after clip, and basically people will stay for the whole video because they want to see their favorite player, which is Ronaldo for most of the people on the earth. And this way these videos get crazy watch time, people stay for these videos even if they are longer, and this content can be watched by anyone because you are putting players from Norway, Argentina, and every single other country. You can basically put here like the most famous players from each country and you will get views just by that. And yeah, there are a lot of different ways how you can do these player heads. Like you can make them blurred, like people want to know like which player is next, or you can rank them like the best goal to the worst goal, or the worst to the best actually. And just by this simple edit, you get content that can be easily monetized and a lot of people can watch it. Also, these videos can be about anything. It can be about shots on a goal, as you can see here are just shots on a goal and which player can actually make it. Other videos can be about controversial moments, and I bet you there will be people making like videos about personal lives of these football players because everyone wants to know more about them. Anyway, this is probably one of the best shorts that you can see. I really like these flags of the countries, you can see it really easily. There's also this place on the top that is usually covered by like the island on iPhones, and you can easily follow which player are you watching right now. And to put it in numbers, this video got 13 million views and made the creator just about 12,000 USD. But this guy clearly doubled down on this format and gained some crazy shorts views. So for the beginners just trying to start a new football channel, I think this format can be actually the easiest one. But there are also some others and we are going to watch it right now. The next format are these really dramatic edits with these subtitles that are usually done with iShowSpeed videos that by themselves go crazy viral. Yeah, this is one of the best editing styles on YouTube right now. I would say this is not great for the beginning creators because it takes some time to actually make the video look really good. But for example, this one got 22 million views. But yeah, this is a solid niche. If you can make good videos like this one is only 1 day old, about 24 hours, or maybe, yeah, it's about 2 days right now, but it has over 1 million views. So this is of course an active niche or active editing style that there is a big demand for at the moment. But for these videos, actually keep in mind that what actually does the best are really emotional videos. And right here, there was this some award show, and this kid came to Ronaldo and he gave him his pen, and this video by itself got about 60 million views. We can check it right now, 68 million views, which is insane for a video like this. So to make it clear, the better story on these videos actually wins every single time. The third really common niche that basically anyone can right now switch into are AI commentary shorts with football players. Because by this point, I think everyone doing shorts has some experience with 11 Labs or at least some other kind of voiceovers. And as you can see on this one, these AI commentary videos about football are really easily done. I think you can make a lot of these just by using AI and taking scripts out of already published shorts and just teaching your AI to write the best scripts. Actually, let me know if you want a video about how I do this, how I take winning channels and just steal their strategy and make it work for my own channels. But these ones can be a little bit time consuming. You can do it really well, you can get a lot of views, but I personally wouldn't get into these videos because they just take too much time and you want to make the most content possible. And the fourth format are ranking videos. I know there are a lot of channels doing ranking, and there will probably be dozens of people doing ranking for football shorts during the World Cup. But to be honest, this niche is just timeless. This style is really understandable for most people around the whole world, and you can just stack few clips after each other, focus maybe on one specific player from one specific team, and make dozens of videos. Of course, there will be strong competition, and I've made actually a video about this. You can check it right here at the icon on this side or on this side. But as you can see, this channel has been actually crushing, like 125 million views in a single month. Like, it's not only this month, it's every single month, and the World Cup hasn't even begun yet. That's why I'm begging you to start a football channel, because this will be crazy. Mark my words, maybe visit this channel after the World Cup starts. I think this channel will maybe even double their subscribers and definitely double, triple or quadruple their monthly views. Anyway, don't forget to download my free playbook, because I've also included editing workflow that will guide you how to make your first short in just 15 minutes. Anyway, really important thing, if you are going to skip this one, you might make the biggest mistake once you start your first channel, which is also the reason why most people stop just before they start making money off YouTube. Anyway, here we have our timeline, and as you can see, we just started posting. Like, first few videos did really well, we got a lot of views, but then the views dipped down like to nearly having 0 views on every single video. And this is probably also going to happen to your channel if you are just starting on a new channel or just transferring to a different niche. Because in this period of time, it's about like few days up to a week, while YouTube test out the new audience, and they will build an ideal profile of the viewer that actually likes and watches your videos. That's basically what happens in this time. After some time, you might also start getting views again, and the views might go up like crazy, but usually around the moment when you hit 30,000 views on every single video, it might go down, it might go up, but you won't be able to cross the 30,000 views on every single video. In this period of time, it stops being about you and it starts being about other creators, because in this moment YouTube is actually trying to compare your videos to videos of other people that are making videos in the same video length as you are, and what they are looking for is average watch time, swipe rate, stay to watch, and also viewer satisfaction. And to be honest, if you dial down only just 2 or maybe 3 of these, you will get some views, you will get to this 30,000 view jail, maybe break out once or twice, but in order to consistently break out this 30,000 view jail, you need to focus on all of these. I will make a new video about all of these metrics and which numbers you actually have to hit, and that one will come in just few days, so check my channel, maybe it's already out. But after we successfully hit all of these metrics, we actually start to see videos breaking out of this 30,000 view jail, which is really actually the most common problem for most of creators. We will still see maybe some spikes, maybe some days that we will do better, some days we'll dip all the way down, but overall the views will be much higher than right here. And yeah, if you get after this barrier, basically what happens, your videos can get views long time into the future. Like you can get views on video that's 2 years old and still make money of it. And yeah, that's basically where we all want to get. For most people it might take just about 3 weeks. It takes 1 week to actually start getting the first audience tests. The second part usually lasts about 2 weeks, maybe up to 3 weeks. Of course it depends how you can actually dial down these metrics. Of course what matters the most are these metrics, and if you can make them higher in just about 2 weeks, you can get viral after 2 weeks. But for some people it might take a couple months because they're just starting out and the stuff are just harder for them. But even if it takes you the whole month to break out of this 30,000 view jail, you will still hit this massive wave of World Cup views and possibly even monetize your channel about 1.5 months after watching today's video. All that's left now is to take some action, download my playbook, and in a few weeks you might be one of many actually getting monetized by just watching this video. As always, if you have any questions, let me down in the comments, and if you want to work directly with me, check down the second link in the description. Best of luck!